Let's go just that.
Hey, I'm the Drifting Dad, and today I'm going to install the Odyssey battery in my RX7.
This is the existing battery setup. You can see it's just a standard wet cell. Here are the two batteries side by side. See, they're similar in shape. I think they're the same group number, like a 26R or something. Cold cranking amps is the same, but the Odyssey difference here is the AGM, and with their battery technology, it's a much deeper cycle time.
So now I have the base plate kind of in the rough position. I'm going to drill some pilot holes here. Then what I'm going to do is use some spacers on the bolts to help hold that battery plate level. So you have my pilot holes drilled, and I'm going to find some bolts and spacers. See what I have. I think there's like 1/4 inch or 3/8, 5/16 bolts probably that I'll use to hold this tray down. So this is the way I'm going to bolt the battery hold down to the car. I'm going to put this bolt up through the floor pan. I'm going to have a washer there so it doesn't pull through, and then I'm going to put these two washers on the interior, tighten down that bolt to hold it to the floor, and then that kind of acts as a stud, and this will be the bolt that will hold the actual battery hold down. So one thing I did do on these two rear holes is knock the floor pan down a little flatter so that the bolts will sit parallel or vertical and not at an angle once the bolts are tightened down to the floor pan.
Here is the base plate all mounted up. You can see I've got 3 of the 4 bolt through the floor pan and then bolting the battery plate down to that. What I'm going to do is put a 4th bolt in there, and then all that's left to do is put the battery and the upper part of the hold down on. Here's the battery all hooked up. Got the positive lead and negative lead. The negative lead runs real short, just straight to the chassis to ground it. Then you see the positive lead all the way down along the rocker panel to the power distribution area. And this is like a 2-gauge wire or something, I think. The power distribution panel is right behind where the glove box would be. I'm going to make a block-off plate eventually.
Now that I've got the battery all installed, I'm going to go fire this thing up for you so you can hear how it sounds. So I tried to crank the car earlier, but the battery's dead, so I plugged my charger up. I'm going to put the terminals back on and try again. What I think's going on here is I have a parasitic drain of some sort. So another time I will go ahead and find that. I'll show you guys how to do that. It's pretty simple, but right now I just want to make sure the car is run. It hasn't started in a while, and I haven't ran it on this new Odyssey Extreme battery, so I definitely want to show you guys how that works. Starts up. Decent oil pressure. So you can see the new battery works really well. Seems like it has plenty of juice, likes to idle, so that's good. I'll just go ahead and fix my parasitic drain, and we should be good to go. Well, I hope you liked the video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and also subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button if you like what I'm doing. And I will see you guys next time.